Hi everyone, welcome to Updawg-Yoga. My name is Emily. This is another outdoor yoga video, so I hope you enjoy it. Please take care of yourself throughout this practice. Remember to breathe, and anytime you'd like to rest, rest as long as you'd like. We're gonna do slow and flow yoga. So I'm gonna do one round slow, like we'll start slow, and then the next round where we're moving will be a little bit faster. So take it at your own pace. And let's start in child's pose, okay? You can have your knees together or your knees as wide as your mat. Sink your hips to your heels, reach your arms forward, rest on your forehead. And then take 10 deep breaths here. Deep breath in, deep breath out. Keep breathing. Slow deep breath in, long deep breath out. 3 more breaths. Come up to tabletop, move onto your hands and knees. Inhale, cow pose. Drop your belly, let your spine go saddle back, look forward. Exhale, cat pose. Press your hands down, round your spine, bring your chin to your chest. And you can hold each pose, or you can flow with it. Inhale, drop your belly. Exhale, round your spine. 3 more times. Come back to a flat back, walk your hands forward, tuck your toes under, downward facing dog, lift your hips up and back, drop your head, pedal your knees a few times. Slow down your breath. And then look forward. Walk your feet to your hands, grab your elbows and hang here. So put a bend in your knees, relax your head and neck, hang, or maybe gently sway side to side. And then drop your arms down, bend your knees, roll yourself up 1 vertebra at a time. Let your head be the last thing to lift. So you can stand on your mat and get grounded, feet together, close your eyes, deep breath in, deep breath out. 2 more breaths here. So feel free to take longer if you need more time to get centered. But let's move into sun salutations at the short end of your mat. Inhale, mountain pose. So reach your arms up so palms of your hands face one another. Exhale, forward fold. Sweep the floor, drop your head, look to your knees. Inhale, halfway lift, hands on your shins, flat back. And exhale, fold. Plant your hands, vinyasa or chaturanga. Plant your hands, step back. This is our yogi push-up. Shift forward, lower halfway. Inhale, upward facing dog. Point your toes, squeeze your glutes. Exhale, downward facing dog. And take 3 big breaths here. Slow down. Okay, and then we'll try it again, breath to movement. So take it at your own pace with your own breath. Inhale, look forward. Exhale, forward fold, step your feet to your hands. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, fold. Inhale, mountain pose, reach up. Exhale, forward fold, come back down. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, chaturanga, vinyasa. Same thing. Inhale, upward facing dog or cobra. Exhale, downward facing dog. One more time. Inhale, look forward. Exhale, forward fold. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, fold. Inhale, mountain pose. Last round. Exhale, forward fold. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, chaturanga. Inhale, upward facing dog. Exhale, downward facing dog. All right. This time we'll add on some poses. So feel free to take longer in down dog. If you're ready to move on, look forward, step or jump to your hands. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, fold. Inhale, mountain pose. Reach your arms up. Inhale, mountain pose. Reach your arms up. And this time, one-legged mountain pose. Lift your left leg in the air. So you're gonna look like this as you balance. So your knee is in line with your hips. Spread your toes. Breathe here. Make sure your toes are straight ahead. Inhale. Exhale. Chair pose with airplane arms. Sit back into a chair. Like there's a chair on your mat and swing your arms behind you. Okay, so thighs back so you can see your toes. Inhale, one-legged mountain pose again. Lift your left leg up. Return to the front. Exhale, crescent lunge with airplane arms. Step your left foot back. So land on the ball of your foot so you're in a long lunge. Right toe straight ahead, arms back, look to the top of your mat. This is crescent lunge with airplane arms. Inhale, warrior two. Spin your heel down, reach your arms out and your feet wide. Turn your head, look to your fingertips. Breathe here. Roll your right knee to your pinky toe. Draw your belly in. Inhale. Exhale, side angle pose. Right forearm to your thigh, left arm up. Look up to your thumb. And then inhale, reverse warrior. Bend your right knee this time. Reach your right arm up. Come into a side bend. Look up to your thumb. Little to no weight on your back hand. Just there for balance. All right, inhale. Exhale, downward facing dog or chaturanga. One more time. Plant your hands and lower. And then we'll meet back, downward facing dog. Other side, look forward to your hands. Step or jump to your hands. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, fold. Inhale, one-legged mountain pose. Other side, lift your right leg up this time. So from the front, looks like this. Bring your knee in line with your hips, spread your toes, reach up tall. Inhale. Exhale, chair pose. Sit down into a chair. With airplane arms, swing your arms back. So big toes together, thighs back so you can see your toes. Sit down. Inhale, one-legged mountain pose. Lift the same leg, right leg up. Exhale, crescent lunge with airplane arms. Slide your right leg back. Swing it back, land on the ball of your foot. Look forward and down. Your spine is long. Your hips are squared. Left hip back, right hip forward. Inhale, warrior two. So slow on the left side. Feet wide. Reach your arms out. Look to your fingertips. Roll your left knee to your pinky toe. Deep breath in. Deep breath out. Inhale. Exhale, side angle pose. Left forearm to your thigh. Right arm up to the sky. Lean back. Inhale, reverse warrior. Bend your left knee, reach your left arm up. Make sure you have a bend in your front knee. All right, inhale. Exhale, downward facing dog or chaturanga, your choice. And then this time we'll flow, okay? Inhale, look forward. Exhale, forward fold. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, fold. Inhale, one-legged mountain pose. Pick your left leg up. Exhale, chair pose with airplane arms. Sit back, swing your arms back. Inhale, one-legged mountain pose. Pick your left leg up again. Exhale, crescent lunge with airplane arms. Step back. Inhale, warrior two. Exhale, side angle pose, right forearm to your thigh. Inhale, reverse warrior, reach your right arm up. Exhale, down dog or chaturanga. Depends on how intense you want your practice. Inhale, look forward. Exhale, forward fold. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, fold. Inhale, one-legged mountain pose. Pick your right leg up this time. Exhale, chair pose with airplane arms. Heels down, arms back. Inhale, one-legged mountain pose. Pick your right leg up again. Exhale, crescent lunge with airplane arms. Step back. Inhale, warrior two. Exhale, side angle pose. Left forearm to your thigh. Inhale, reverse warrior, reach your left arm up. Exhale, chaturanga. One more round. Inhale, look forward. Exhale, forward fold. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, fold. Inhale, one-legged mountain pose. Lift your left leg up. Ooh. Exhale, chair pose with airplane arms. Sit back. Inhale, one-legged mountain pose. Pick your left leg up. Exhale, crescent lunge with airplane arms. Step back. Inhale, warrior two. Exhale, side angle pose. Right forearm to your thigh. Inhale, reverse warrior. Reach your right arm up. Exhale, chaturanga. Hands down or straight to down dog. I'm tired, so I'm going to take down dog. Last side. Inhale, look forward. Exhale, forward fold. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, fold. Inhale, one-legged mountain pose. Pick your right leg up. Exhale, chair pose with airplane arms. Heels down, arms back. Sit low. Inhale, one-legged mountain pose. Pick your right leg up. Exhale, crescent lunge with airplane arms. Step your right foot back. Ah. Careful with your balance. Inhale, warrior two. Exhale, side angle pose. Inhale, reverse warrior. Exhale, chaturanga or straight to downward facing dog. Last one. And then look forward to your hands. Walk your feet to your hands. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, fold. Inhale, mountain pose. Reach up. Exhale, hands in prayer. All right, we're gonna go into some balance. So I'll show you two different ways to do this. Left foot down, bring your right knee up, and you can hold onto your knee with your right hand. Spread your toes. Take a few breaths here. And this time, take your knee out to the side, and you can hold onto your knee like this, and reach your left arm out. Try to look to your left thumb. All right, last challenge, bring your knee forward. This time, stretch your leg back, balance, spread your toes. Hands in prayer for a challenge. Reach your arms forward. Whew. Hold for 3, 2, and 1. Stand up and release. Shake it out. Yay. This time, lift your left leg up. Bring your knee in line with your hip. Spread your toes. And you can hold onto your knee. Bring your hand to your hip. Stand tall. So breathe here. Find your breath. It always helps to look at one spot on the ground. And then when you're ready, open your knee out to the side. Reach your right hand out, look to your thumb. For 3, 2, and 1. Bring your knee forward and then take your leg back. So hands in prayer or reach your arms forward. Hold for 3, 2, and 1. Nice job. Stand up, release. The other way to do this, left foot down, grab your big toe with your index finger and middle finger. Extend your leg out. And then out to the side. Yeah. Another way to do this, you can lift your right leg up, grab your big toe with your index finger and middle finger, extend your leg forward and out to the side. And then back to center and release. Other side, right foot down, hand on your hip, grab your big toe, reach forward and out to the side. And forward and release. This time, lay on your back. We'll do bridge pose and close. Hands beside your hips. Look at one spot on the ceiling or on the sky. Inhale, prepare. Exhale, bridge. So feet hip distance apart. Lift your hips into a bridge. Keep your hands beside you or interlace your hands underneath you. This may be enough here in your bridge. If you'd like to challenge yourself a little more, tuck your hands in by your shoulders, lift onto the crown of your head, and then all the way up into wheel pose. It helps me to take my feet wide. And then lower down and rest. Feet together, knees wide. One hand to your belly, one hand to your heart. Close your eyes. And then knees together, hug your knees into your chest, rock side to side. And then twist. Drop your knees to the right, look to your left hand, spinal twist. Take some breaths on this side, slow down. Other side, bring your knees up. Drop your knees to the left. Look to your right hand. All right, and then roll onto your back. Squeeze your knees into your chest, forehead to your knees. Inhale. Exhale, release. So take a few resting breaths in Shavasana. Get as comfortable as you can. Flip your palms up, close your eyes, and rest. Thank you so much for being here. I will see you in the next one. Bye.